A man discovered a box in a cabin, so opens it without reading the scripture. And to his pure horror, a pleasure demon appears. The man was in pure shock. Then it starts to speak.
I am the pleasure demon. I'm here to give you pleasure.
The man is still in shock.
The pleasure I'm giving you isn't money. Now pull your pants down.
After hearing this, the man gets to his feet and runs out the cabin. 3 months later, Jasper is at his apartment watching TV until he hears a knocking on his door. A man in a suit handed him a summons for court. Outraged because the monster is actually suing him. 3 months later, they are in court.
He opened the box. He knew the deal. Then he ran away without payment.
There was nothing written on that box. You're a liar. Unfortunately, the court sided with the monster.